April is here with some surprising new releases. So grab your popcorn, because this is going to be good. Welcome to Toysin RC. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 new RC releases of April 2026. From crawlers to high-speed street machines and more, with something for every type of RC enthusiast. After doing in-depth research across multiple sources, I've put together a selection designed to match different needs. Whether you're looking for performance, value, or just your next fun upgrade, you'll find links in the description for more details on each product. And just a heads up, this is not a review video, but a showcase of some of the most exciting new releases right now. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like, drop a comment with your favorite, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's get into it. Number 5. If you're looking for an RC car that delivers realism, performance, and instant fun, the Losi 112th Asphalt late model Grom Dale Earnhardt Jr. No. 8 is one of the standout releases of 2026. Inspired by the roots of American short track racing and the legacy of Dale Earnhardt Jr., this model brings authentic racing action straight to your hands. It comes fully assembled and ready to run right out of the box, including a smart LiPo battery and USB charger, making it perfect for beginners and hobbyists who want to get started immediately. With all-wheel drive traction, speeds over 20 miles per hour, and up to 20 minutes of runtime, it delivers smooth control and exciting performance on surfaces like driveways, parking lots, or courts. The independent suspension, oil-filled shocks, and metal gear drivetrain ensure durability and a stable, responsive driving experience. The officially licensed Chevrolet ZL One Body with the iconic Sundrop livery adds a bold, realistic look while improving aerodynamics for better grip in corners. The clipless body system also makes battery changes and maintenance quick and simple. Whether you're new to RC or a seasoned driver, this car transforms any space into your own short track. Power up, accelerate, and start building your racing story. Number 4. Looking for a serious rock crawler that delivers power, precision, and full control, the Redcat VERTEX 6 sets a new standard in large-scale RC performance. Built in an impressive 1/6 scale, this crawler is engineered for extreme terrain. Its low center of gravity chassis, combined with a forward-mounted motor, gives you superior stability and climbing ability, making it ideal for steep, technical trails and challenging rock sections. One of its standout features is the selectable underdrive system, allowing you to switch between balanced driving and enhanced control directly from the transmitter. This gives you tighter turning and better handling exactly when you need it most. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor system and a high-torque steering servo, the VERTEX 6 delivers smooth, responsive control even under heavy load. The reinforced axles, metal drivetrain components, and durable ladder frame ensure long-lasting reliability in the toughest conditions. Its large oil-filled shocks and soft compound tires provide excellent grip, articulation, and shock absorption, keeping you in control across rocks, dirt, and uneven terrain. Designed for enthusiasts who want performance and customization, the VERTEX 6 is more than just a crawler. It's a machine built to conquer any trail. Number 3. Get ready to experience big off-road energy in a compact and highly capable package with the FMS 1-18 Ford Bronco RTR Funhaver EB. Inspired by real Ultra 4 racing machines and developed in collaboration with motorsport legends Vaughn Gittin Jr. and Lauren Healy, this model blends aggressive design with true trail performance. It features an officially licensed Ford Bronco body, detailed scale interior, and signature styling that stands out both on display and on the trail. Built on FMS's advanced mini platform, it delivers full-time 4WD with independent suspension and anti-roll bars, giving you stability, control, and confidence across rough terrain. Whether you choose the brushed or brushless version, you'll get strong performance, with speeds up to 45 km per hour in the brushless setup. Designed for convenience, the quick-release body system allows fast, tool-free access to the battery, so you can spend more time driving and less time maintaining. The integrated LED lights and durable construction make it perfect for all-day adventures, from backyard trails to rocky paths. Small in scale but big in personality, this Bronco is built for those who want performance, realism, and pure driving fun in one ready-to-run machine. Number 2. Turn any street into your personal high-speed playground with the ARRMA Infraction 223 SBLX-DSC 4x4. Built for pure adrenaline, this 1/8 scale street bash truck delivers extreme performance with speeds over 65 miles per hour while still being accessible and easy to control. It's the perfect step up for drivers who want serious power without jumping straight into more complex setups. At its core is a reinforced drivetrain with metal gears, steel components, and a smart overload protection system that keeps everything running smoothly under intense acceleration. This means more durability, cleaner launches, and less maintenance, so you can focus on driving, not fixing. What truly sets it apart is the dynamic stability control system. With multiple modes, it helps you maintain control during high-speed runs and aggressive drifts, making it easier to push limits with confidence. And when you're ready, you can switch it off and take full control. Equipped with high-performance belted tires, it grips hard on asphalt, loose gravel, and everything in between. The aggressive design turns heads instantly, while waterproof electronics ensure you can keep driving in different conditions without worry. Fast, tough, and incredibly fun to drive, this is a street machine built for speed, control, and non-stop action. Number 1. Step into true off-road heritage with the Axial SCX10 III Jeep CJ7 V2, a crawler that blends iconic design with modern performance. This 1/10 scale model is a fully licensed tribute to the legendary Jeep CJ7, finished in a striking Laredo-inspired colorway that captures attention on and off the trail. But it's not just about looks. This platform is built to perform in the toughest crawling conditions. Equipped with a proven SCX10 III chassis, it delivers excellent articulation and control over rocks, dirt, and technical terrain. The included 35T brushed motor provides smooth, controlled power, perfect for precise crawling, while the waterproof electronics ensure reliable performance in all environments. One of its standout features is the dig function, allowing you to lock the rear axle for tighter turns and improved maneuverability in challenging sections. Combined with a high-torque metal gear servo, you get precise steering exactly where you need it. Ready to run out of the box, it includes everything except battery and charger, making it easy to get started quickly. Durable, detailed, and highly capable, this is a crawler designed for enthusiasts who want realism and performance in one package. Whether you're navigating rocks or building your own trail, this Jeep is built to conquer it. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.